like the ocean, clear yet shadowed in the gaze, shallow yet endlessly deep. I lost my way, wandering through the world reflected in your eyes was filled with countless thoughts, yet sometimes seems so empty, pulling me into its quiet calm. Take me into this ocean of yours, into the depths of your shadowed gaze. Let go of all the weight we carry and create a world for just us two. To a place no one else can find, into the deepest abyss we'll dive. Forever just you and me, I want to stay in this ocean of yours. Secrets were hidden in your eyes, a deep loneliness and untold stories. Its beauty lay in its endless unknown, and I long to sink into that sea. Your eyes were like in your eyes, a wave that came like a dream. The closer I reached, the farther it drifted, pulling me endlessly into its tide. The secrets buried in your gaze, I couldn't fathom the depths, but I wanted to drown in them, forgetting everything just with you. Take me into this ocean of yours, into the depths of your shadow gaze. Let go of all the weight we carry and create a world for just us two. To a place no one else can find, into the deepest abyss we'll dive. Forever just you and me, I want to stay in this ocean of yours. Even if the waves crash down, I won't feel as long as you're here. In this endless abyss we'll write our story together forever. Take me into this ocean of yours, into the depths of your shadowed gaze. Let all our wounds drift away and create a world for just us two. To a place no one else can find, into the deepest abyss we'll dive. Forever just you and me,